Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SHIVA INU token. Now the SHIVA INU token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have a really big market cap. This token's getting some brand new central exchange listings as well. And we're going to go over the info on this token and see if there's any warnings in the smart contract. We're going to look for any audits or KYCs or anything having to do with security and see if there's any issues that people should be concerned about. Maybe there's potential scam risks or things like that. So we're going to go over all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So SHIVA INU is the name of the token. SHIV is the ticker symbol. This token just got listed today on POLONIEX. So March 28th, 15 hours UTC time. Full trading opened on the POLONIEX exchange for this token. This is on the Ethereum network, so you could also get this token off of UNISWAP. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project here. At SHIV token ETH on Twitter. In their pinned tweet, they have the contract address and a link to Uniswap if you wanted to get the token. They have a web page in their pinned tweet, shivtoken.com. Also a Telegram at SHIV token ETH on Telegram. And then they have CoinMarketCap link, Uniswap, and contract address. And they're also listed on CoinGecko as well, and you can find their Etherscan. So they have 1,786 subscribers on their Telegram, so that's a great place to find updates, as well as this Twitter right here that just joined in March 2024. This is a brand new project, 5,070 followers. It says not Shiba Inu, but the reversed one, the darker version. So yeah, we're going to go over I did see a quick audit, so we're going to go over that. They have lots of updates here on their Twitter. It looks like they got a bunch of different article listing sites here. 1, 2, 3, 4 article listing sites there. It looks like they did. They're hosting a Twitter space here. It's at 7:15 p.m. today. So yeah, they do a lot of updates here on their socials. So they have a DEX Tools chart. You can find them on DEX Tools, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and DEX Screener. So if you're looking for the price, those are great places. On their webpage, shivtoken.com, they also have their social links there, DEX Tools link and contract address. Cool pictures as well. Looks like they created little comic books. So it says this is season 1 of their comic. So it says not Shiba Inu, but cooler, darker version. Step into a world where power shifts and dominance reigns as Shiva takes control of the city. Explore our website and follow the captivating roadmap that leads to an epic showdown where the fate of the city hangs in the balance. Brace yourself for an exhilarating journey of suspense, intrigue, and a battle for ultimate supremacy. Shiba Inu, where we delve into the captivating story of Shiva's takeover of the city and the thrilling journey that awaits. Join us as we embark on a roadmap filled with twists, turns, and the ultimate battle for supremacy. So on their webpage, they do show you how to buy this token. if you're interested in that. Now, it says 0% tax too, so if you are getting this token off of UNISWAP or any other decentralized exchange, you probably won't have to worry too much about slippage. LP burned contract renounced, it says. There's a contact email at the bottom of their page, and it says total supply is 100 trillion tokens. So on CoinMarketCap here, it says this token is up 44.3 or 47% right now in the past 24 hours. Their market cap is $14.9 million, and their 24-hour trading volume is $18.78 million. So doing very well today. Has their contract address on CoinMarketCap and all their links and everything like that. And then they just got this new POLONIEX exchange listing today as well. And so, yeah, they have $616,000 in liquidity right now in Uniswap V2. They have here 86.57 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 2.09 trillion pooled SHIB tokens. So, let's get to the security now. So, they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a community trust score from 96 votes, 96.9%. So, they have a quick audit here by Token Sniffer, Go Plus Security, Honeypot, and Quick Intel. I'm going to put the warnings up on the screen somewhere. I don't know. They'll be somewhere up here. But there is some warnings on their audit, so it is not a perfect audit, so just be aware of that. Now, it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no buy and sell tax, no proxy contract. It says tax is modifiable. There's not a hard warning on that. It's just like white instead of green, though. And they have here a conflicting audit on Quick Intel. It says they can adjust the max sell ratio, and then on Token Sniffer and Go Plus Security, they say no. And then on Go Plus Security, it says yes, anti-whale, and then Quick Intel says no, so conflicting again. And then other risks. Quick Intel says there's other risks. So those are the only warnings there. They're not horrible warnings, but they're also conflicting, which is very strange. And then also they're conflicting on whitelisting, as you can see too. I'm going to put all that up somewhere up there. But yeah, you'll see that they have some conflicting audits. So not a perfect audit. I can't say that this token is fully safe. And I'm not going to also say either that it's a scam, because it's hard to say. There is some warnings, so there's a potential scam. But who knows if, it actually will be a scam or not. So just always do your own research. Hopefully they come out with a full audit, a KYC, and even more security so people can look at even more security details besides just these quick audits. But yeah, for now it's kind of up in the air. It could be a scam. It could be not. Audit is not 100%. Now I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And, oh yeah, and by the way, so they have SHIV, and then they also have Flovi, which is a very similar one. So that's the dark version of Floki. And SHIV right now is trending #1 on DEX Screener, and Flovi is trending #2 on DEX Screener. And I am going to make a video about Flovi too. If you guys want to check that out, that'll be on my channel within the next day or so as well. So check out both of those tokens. Maybe there's going to be more with they're just changing basically one letter to a V, and then it makes it a dark token, I guess. It's a cool idea though, but yeah, we're going to go over Flovi as well, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, check out all the referral codes down there if you want to help support the channel. Hit the join button, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.